Sleep and snoring. Some using burning heart. It is, which is good. Okay, so these nails I did 2 coat of the white gel polish. And I do a matte top coat.
I don't know what kind of red wine. Sweet Ambition, she did just come out with some brand new 3D flowers. They're in $5 nail art. There's some poinsettias. There's all different ones. Red and green, just red.
Yeah, another something is really cool is coming, so stay tuned for so many. Cerveza. Yeah, she's drinking white wine is good. White wine is
red wine. I got red wine tonight.
Yeah. Nini said it's white wine.
All I know is it says red blend. It's Ergo Rojo. And it's actually a friend of mine recommended it. She said it's really good. So, whatever. We try something new. I gotta get fancy.
That's why eat with you enjoy it with red meat stick.
I know. But I made it dinner the other day, so I had it.
Okay, so I have to get the red wine when you come because you're making what?
Boone's Farm.
Oh, look at this.
I could have probably got 10 bottles of Boone's Farm for the price of this one.
Okay, so now we're gonna use crystal clear.
I buy a good one, so I like it.
That's right.
Wow, that blue is so pigmented.
It is.
It's awesome.
Champagne nails. Campaign nails. Yeah.
Campaign
nails. Yes. That's what Hughes requests for it. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. Well, that's what he requests. He said that, well, everybody have a different opinions, but we're all Americans, so here you go. And I said, can I do some like cute flowers? Dom did really nice one last night. I really enjoying it. It's funny, Dom, didn't realize that I was in pain, but I took some pain medication, and today I said, Vicky, you join with me so you can talk for me.
I know, she's like, talk for me, but she's doing all the talking. Because all I ever do is talk about cerveza, wine. Now I've been getting ready for my trip to go see Nancy, so I'm like half packed. Got a lot of stuff out.
Did you get my gift too?
But your gift didn't come, sorry.
My gift didn't come?
Your gift is just going in a bag, done.
I tried to tell Dom to ask her husband to be good to her husband so then she can come and see us this weekend. Was Mika here?
Ah. Isn't Dom doesn't live that far away, does she?
3 hours.
Yeah, that's not that far.
So I'm basically
blending. I make you drive that far to meet me in New Orleans.
Ah, yeah.
Oh, gosh, yeah, I got my plane ticket. I paid a fortune for it because I got it too late. So I'm waiting to see if we do a class in December because I have to get it while my ticket is still affordable.
She got
3 hours. You can drive, Dom. Come see us.
Dom, come on.
You get to see the warehouse.
Yeah.
I still have to unbox. There's more stuff there, you guys, that's new. Because there was such a delay in our shipments, so Nancy couldn't get to all the boxes. So that's why I'm going to go work in the warehouse so that we can get all the new stuff. Lori, where are you located?
Oh, I really like it. That's it.
Lori says, please do another class soon.
December, hold on, let me give you a date so then you can
December 6th is our proposed date right now.
December 6th. Lori, save the date.
Lori, where do you live? Are you close? West Virginia. It's an easy flight. You know what? If you book it early, right now for me to go to Pensacola for December 6th is $246. Nini's in Missouri. Come on down. Yeah, we'll do it in Pensacola again. Just because so many states aren't open right now. Like, we'd love to do one in Michigan. But Michigan, in Ann Arbor, I think it's like gatherings of 4 indoor. And other areas are gathering of 10. Yet we can have a restaurant with 60. It makes no sense.
Look at that.
Oh.
Yeah, we'll do just another one-day class. Hopefully soon we'll do a 3-day class. But right now, we're just sticking with the one day, which is acrylic. It's salon shapes and shaping. And what are you going to do? You're going to cut it?
Yeah. Do you think?
I don't know. I'm just trying to figure out what you're doing.
Because I already cut it. That's what you saw me with the scissors.
Do you have moisture on that yet? No?
No, not yet. But I'm trying to adjusting it before I do
I
it.
see. No, that looks good. I gotcha.
Okay. That's it. And then
Oh my
you
gosh,
are
that's so
done.
gorgeous.
Okay. So now it's gonna be a transfer foil premiums. I hold transfer foil.
Look at her bottle, looks so good. Mine's been used so much.
Yeah, you've been abusing it. You're like,
I know.
abusing it.
Come on, I make a little when I don't clean
So
it
it's
up,
really
it gets
cool
used
about
on my lamp.
it's really cool about this class, right? Usually you see me do a lot with the nailsicle, whatever you call popsicle, but this is nailsicle. So usually you see this and then you get no idea how we can able to get the nails shape for salon is so nice, precise, and not bulky, right? You put the ombres on or the shape on, you say, oh my god, why my nail is so bulky? I did this really good, but then it's still so there are the tips and tricks in there, and I believe it working on the real models, it gonna really bring your skills already good, but it's gonna take you to absolutely to a next level. So this week we are having
Hello, Bonita.
a lot of models are already understand and request for it, so they're reserving their spot. So I'm excited. So Jessica, if you are still here, you're gonna have a real models in the class, so be prepared.
Yeah. So much better.
Yep. So then you're gonna work like practice and learn in the morning, which is all the techniques, and then we're gonna practice right direct on the
Hey,
model.
crystals.
So I am going to kill this for 30 seconds. If you are using the white bottles, it's 60 seconds, but make sure it's also depend on the
Hi,
LED
Katina.
lamp as well.
Yep. Also,
Wicked has the question. She says, what should she bring to class besides brush files and e-file?
so we can now.
There's an email went out, right, with everything they should bring?
So we can now, if you didn't get an email, make sure you email us, because I think some of our students did get a wrong email, so they do have to email us to make sure we got a right one.
We
So we
can
can get
just
you a whole list.
send an email to info@glitzaccessoryandsuch.com, and then they'll resend the email to you just so that way they got the right email for you.
So whose question is that?
Hi, Isabel. That was
E
Wicked.
creation.
Wicked Nails.
Wicked
Wicked.
nails. Okay, Wicked nails. And I think later in Vicky will have a group, so all the students can send all the informations, and then we're gonna get a lot of update for all of you a few days before you travel. And absolutely, we are so excited and we can't wait. I would say can't not wait. I mean it, because this class will totally already great for you what you are doing, but it's absolutely gonna change actually your technique and your skill to the next level.
Thank you, Crystal. She said, I love your company. Amazing customer service.
Thank
Thanks,
you
Don.
so much. Thank you,
could've typed it.
crystals. Okay, so look, I found some smaller one. Look at
See,
that.
and you can just cut these apart. You don't have to try and
Yep.
just put like a little dab of transfer foil where you want it, the transfer foil gel. Just cut them out. And you can cut a bunch of these, have them pre-cut already in the plastic container, so that you don't have to cut them when you have your customers. Just anything to make it faster.
All right, look.
Wicked is Rachel in Crestview.
Did you get you should get the email. If not, then stay tuned, because if you are just signing up, stay tuned. Our team will send you all information you needed it.
Yeah, just send us another email just to be sure at info@glitzaccessoryandsuch.com, and then that way we'll be sure to get it to you for sure.
Look at this. How stunning it is. Sorry.
Yep, and also Wicked
I know,
Nails.
Instagram just kicks people off. Mine's been better though. Jessica's now I gotta add it to my cart. That's so funny. Look at the roses though. The HD roses are so freaking amazing. I could never. I mean, I'm really good at hand painting, I couldn't paint this.
We can paint it in one day. I'll show you. It's really cool, easy. Well, but take time.
Not quite like that. Take too much time. This, forget it. I'm just gonna pop on a transfer foil and be done.
There you go. There you go. So
So then don't forget our sale goes till November 8th. All the transfer foil are $7. The new Paris one will be added tomorrow. We don't know what number it is. What number are you using right now, Nancy?
HD, I think that's 57, maybe more.
57?
Yes, I think HD flower number 5.
And then most of the rest of the site is also 20% off. Of course, not on classes, treasure bag, or treasure box. 57, China. That's what you told me, right, Hugh?
Yes, let me double check on that for you. Make sure
Okay.
I didn't send you guys the wrong one.
I know, transfer foil is like the easiest thing. There's no way I'm hand painting this. I would charge them a fortune. I already
if
charged
you're
them a
doing it,
fortune. I'd rather do this really quick.
You
instead
charge
of
them
just
more.
hand paint. Yeah, I'd do one rose and charge you $20 because it took me 20 minutes. I want to do one quick transfer foil and add a whole lot of bling to it and then charge you $20. Maybe 25.
Yes. All right, so that's HD flower number 5. So the transfer foil number 64.
64?
64.
Okay. Number
All right.
64.
so the reason I cut it all because I don't want this clear to cover
Bye, Nene.
my all my transfer foil gels. If just in case it's covered, don't worry. Just apply another coat here for 30 seconds, and then you can do another one.
Also, everyone, let me know if the screen become blurry for you, yeah?
It's looking good right now. Lori's still in our class in December. Yes, you'll still get the free gifts from Chisel and also Glitz.
Yes. So
Yeah, we'll
save
do
the
the same
date
thing.
because we are going to have the post available for class in like really soon, probably in one day.
Nancy's doing the nails. Look at that bling and the butterflies. This is Nancy. I'm just chatting. I was trying to chat for her, but she talks too much.
Me?
And then
No,
don't forget-
I've been quiet. I didn't talk anything.
You've been chatting like the whole time. And then don't forget it when you check out, just use code VickyJ, and then you'll get free shipping at $79.99,
That's it.
which is like, what is that? Like 8, 9, 7, 10. 12 transfer foils and you get free shipping.
She do a math for
It's
us.
so cheap, I had to keep adding them. Do you know, like 12 transfers would be $240? It's insanity.
It's good to have Vicky to do math for us. Vicky do all the math. Ta-da. See, so you don't have to do it like a whole thing. You can trim it the way I doing it.
Yes, lady, we do peel it up. We just get the position in time and then we peel it up. So we will transfer it.
Look at
Yeah,
that.
not stickers. We're using
looks
the
like
transfer
blurry,
foil
though.
gel and transfer foil.
It was not. It actually
It
really
looks
clear.
gorgeous.
It look blurry.
No, it's not. You think
All right.
it's not.
No more, that's it. And then now you can offer the clients like this to doing it like a free nail art if you want to promoting. And also you can put
But
the
that's
chains
not
on
free nail
it.
art.
No, I mean
This
it's like
wouldn't be
no.
free nail art. Just
It
the
wouldn't be.
fusioning. And then you
So-
upgrade them to the transfer foil, and then you upgrade them
Right.
to either chain or crystal.
We put the
I
red
think
on
I
it.
have a red. Hold on.
You know, I can drink a lot more cerveza than this wine. The wine, it goes so fast, but if I drink it too fast, it's got so much more alcohol.
There's a whole entire new collection of the red crimson colors is on the way, so please stay tuned. I need that one. I just put it here on
Oh
my.
my gosh, look how gorgeous.
I have so many. Here.
Gorgeous.
So this is like in the pack of like 60 of them. You will get that. But this, I think it's set 2 and 3, and then there's another one. It's 1.
Are those packs of 60? Are those at 20% also?
Yes. And then
Just
it
trying to
will
get
be a viable.
my shopping cart ready in my head for when I come down there.
Sure.
No, everything is on sale. So those are only, what is it, $19.99. We'll
Yes,
say 20.
20%.
And then you get 20% off. So only $16 and you get 60 crystals.
Yeah. Look at this. I don't know if I want to do it. Was Dom here? I think it was Dom here earlier.
This is crazy.
Look at that. Should crystal or not too crystal?